Hey guys, we're back here again. We got the third video here for the actual Bulgarian ar-15 style magazine right here. This is what the magazine looks like disassembled, guys. Got your good old bomb retaining plate on the bottom of the magazine right here. This is what it looks like taken off. All you do is simply slide it off, as I told you about in the previous video, and that's what the bottom looks like right there. You just simply slide off the back section on there and it pops right off. You have a little retainer dimple right here in the bottom of the plate right here for that, for holding it and keeping it in secure of the bottom of the magazine. And that area right there corresponds with the bottom of the magazine plate right down there as well too. So these two things lock together right there. You have a spring that's like similar to your AK style spring right there for that as well too. And you have a front follower up here as well. This is a polymer plastic follower up here. So it looks like right there, both sides, front side, back side, our side, left side, right side. You can flip it around here for that, for reference. And that's what your follower looks like in the front, with the magazine attached to the spring mechanism on there as well too. So that's what the magazine looks like disassembled. It only takes a couple of seconds to pop it apart on there. All you need is maybe like a bullet or something like that to get the actual bottom of the tab right here pushed on straight on for that. So it's relatively easy to disassemble. And this is before the Bulgarian ar-15 steel magazine that's has similar components like your AK style magazine right there from various column block countries over there for that, for reference. And here's the insides of the structure of the magazine. Get a better shot here for that. Try to give you a good shot here for that reference. There's a bottom section right there as well too. So the magazine looks overall in great shape. They do look substantial. However, they're not as good as like the HK Steel Maritime magazine. I think they were trying to maybe emulate or replicate a cheaper version of the HK Maritime magazine right there for that. But this is what they made right here. That's why the cost is what it is, because this thing's only like about $9 right here for reference right there for that. In the HK Maritime magazine's about, I think about in between 40, 45 up to about $65 right there, depending on which website you look at it for that. So that's been the final review for the Bulgarian ar-15 style magazine. It has components similar to a AK style magazine for reference. So anybody has any comments, questions, whatnot, give me a message here and I'll try to get back to you as soon as humanly possible, guys. I'll see it. Have a nice day.